Hey guys, this is Marshall over at poolwarehouse.com. Today we're taking a look at the Aqua Genie Salt System. Now the Aqua Genie has made 3 different cell sizes for their salt systems. They got a 15,000 gallon, 25,000 gallon, and 40,000 gallon salt cell. So that'll fit your smaller pools, bigger pools, they'll fit whatever you got. They got a salt system just for you. Let's talk about everything that's in the box when you get your Aqua Genie Salt System. Start with the main controller unit, the head unit. That's what everything plugs into. This is the motherboard, the brain right here. This is what tells you your salt level, your output, your salinity, if you got any errors in the system, your superchlorinate, on-off switch, everything is controlled from this box right here. Next we have a flow switch. We have a titanium cell here. It's a clear cell, salt cell. I like that it's clear. I like that it's blue. It's pretty cool. Nice touch that Aqua Genie's done there. Also included in the box are all your unions you need to install the cell and a cleaning stand for your salt cell. Really cool they included this in the box. Remember to clean your salt cell every about 3 months with muriatic acid. It extends the life of the cell. Let's take a little bit of a look about how this is installed in the system, how it works on your equipment pad. So this flow switch right here, you'll see their arrows pointing in the direction of where the water is flowing. This flow switch will let the main head unit know water is moving through the system, lets it know it can be on and operating. The pump's turned off, there's no water flowing, that switch isn't going to be on, this isn't going to turn on. It'll automatically turn off when your pump turns off. Very cool touch. And again, this cell is a clear blue cell. That's really cool because you can see water flowing through the system there as well, but it's also good because you can inspect your plates. You can see how worn out they are, you can see if they need to be cleaned. You can also inspect to see if there's any kind of debris or anything in the plates. You can check that cell for that without having to take it out of your plumbing. You don't have to undo those unions and look down a opaque white piece of plumbing. You can see it right there. Going up to the head unit, really simple, really easy to use. You got an on-off switch, more or less, that is for your chlorine output. And then you have a superchlor shock setting. Let's go ahead and kick it on. It'll start to calibrate, read your salt level of your pool. This pool is a little bit higher. It looks like it's saying 4,700. That's going to probably be right here. Yeah, there you go. All right, 49. It's still adjusting and calibrating to what this pool's got. This will operate as low as 2,700, and it'll still operate at pretty high salt levels. It'll still generate chlorine. Now that this is on, you can actually start to see some chlorine generating here in the titanium cell. You'll start to see a little bit of haze. That is the electrolysis process happening right here before your eyes. You can see that through the clear cell. Really cool. Let's say we wanted to turn the output up a little bit. Turn it up to 60%. Easy as that. You need to shock the pool. You had a party yesterday, a bunch of kids over, family over, everybody was in the pool, sunscreen, oil, all the things. You need to shock the pool, get it real clean. Hit that superchlorinate setting. It's going to jump to 100% automatically. It'll run on that superchlorinate or shock setting for 24 hours and then automatically go back to whatever setting you had it at before. Aqua Genie Salt System's really simple to use, real easy, really cool design. Love the way Aqua Genie's done this. Again, they have it in a 15,000 gallon, 25,000 gallon, and 40,000 gallon system. If you have any questions about the Aqua Genie Salt System or you're looking to purchase one, give us a call or reach out to us at poolwarehouse.com.